It's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is a show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we've got the bowl version, ladies and gentlemen, of Buldak Quattro. 4 cheese. What are the 4 cheeses? Mozzarella, cheddar, smoky Gouda, and camembert. So now you know, and you're all the wiser. So what do we do here? There's nothing in the cup. What we do here, this is a little trick I'm going to show you. You got the kids, I got the kids. Powdered cheese flavor sauce, no, that one's powder. This one's the goo. Then we got the noodle block. We got a little bit of this here. Now it calls for 160 mils of water. That's kind of a difficult thing to measure, unless you've got one of these. This is a baby bottle, okay? It has everything out in milliliters. Usually it's in odd amounts. At least in this one, I think. Yeah, there's 160 that it calls for. On the other side, I think it's ounces? Can't be ounces. But whatever, I'm always needing metric liquid measured. And this thing, I swear to God, this is where it's at. So if you have said accoutrements de la bébé, I highly, highly, highly recommend keep one of them. It's these, what is this, an Avent? No, a Dr. Brown's. And my kids like to barf a lot, so that, you know, they did when they were kids. And when they're sick. Actually, they still do. My daughter, whenever she gets any kind of cold or sick or anything, she doesn't get like the sniffly sneezies. I mean, she gets it a bit, but generally her main go-to is puking, which sucks for her. Okay, so power level. Power. 5 minutes. 3. Whoa! 5 minutes. Power level. 1, 2, and here we go. Let's go check out the Christmas tree. And I think I'm gonna, if I'm allowed to, no, it's not gonna let me do that right now. But here's our tree, ladies and gentlemen. Let's start here. There is a human baby, and that is Miles when he was small. There's a snail. The Giants fans. Captain Jean-Luc Picard. There's Deep Space Nine. Yeah, I get my wife a lot of Star Trek ornaments. But then, of course, you gotta go with a Grogu once in a while. There's a Captain Janeway. Can't remember what that's made out of. This one's funny. Yeah. And Romulan bird of prey. I think you can probably see that. A shuttlecraft. This one makes noise. Where's the button? Where's the... It's on here somewhere. No, really, dude. There's a button. Well, I can't find the button. I want to make the noise for you.
Shuttlecraft to Enterprise. Shuttlecraft to Enterprise. Spock here. Happy holidays. Live long and prosper.
Yeah. This one's creepy. Check that out. Spock getting all up in McCoy's face. This one makes noise too. Where's the button on that? God, why am I having trouble finding the damn buttons? Dude, where is the button? Is that it?
Our minds are merging, Doctor. Our minds are one. I feel what you feel. I know what you
Isn't that rad? I'll make this one go too. Dude, why did they put them in different spots on every single one? It's on the side. I'm getting irritated with my...
Put that thing away. Honor, queen, and boss. Sulu. I'll take you, Benny. Oh, Sulu. I'd like you to teach me that sometime. Take D'Artagnan here to sick bay.
Yeah. There's the Starship Voyager. This is from one of the new movies. This is Kirk or Spock and... Yeah, it's kind of unintelligible at this point. That one goes and goes. There's a regular Next Generation Enterprise. Of course, you can't have a Christmas tree without homage to the Muppet, the evil space Muppet, Khan. I know there's more. Oh, we got a tricorder here. Where's the button for this? It's open. Where's the button? It flashes. It does cool things. Well, I don't see the freaking button. Well, crap. Well, it goes... there's a Borg cube. See that? Oh, there's Worf. I didn't. And then there's the Borg cube. It's actually a Micro Machines Borg cube. But anyways, I think that's everything. Oh, and there's Mr. Data. And our noodles are done. And so is our tour around the Christmas tree. Thank you very much for joining us for such a festive occasion. And I know, it's not Christmas where you are. So here is our noodle. Very curious how this went. Wow, this is the 4th one I'm doing today. Which is why I'm kind of thinking like, do I really want to do a mukbang? I don't know, man. Wow. Noodle's done. There's really like no liquid with it. Alright. So we're going to put our Zows. I don't know how I was pulling it off before doing all these episodes, before I even put anybody on the bus for school. I don't know. But now it's like, God, I had a lot of prep to do. I had to cook chicken, I had to hard boil or soft boil eggs rather. I cut up some Narutomaki and had to bag it. I take that stuff and well, you'll probably see it in the outro for this. I don't know. But, yeah. A lot of preparation for this day's episoding. This one I remember really wasn't all that hot, but it was really good. So we'll give it a try. We'll give it a little sniff. Okay. Gooey and gloppy. Spicy and choppy. These are the noodles that I made. It's a favorite book in our house, Pizza Pat. Here's the tray that Pat bought. Here's the sauce, all gooey and or spicy and sloppy that going on the. Or here's the dough, all yeah. It's one of those, and it adds and adds and adds and adds and adds. Noodles, trying. This is good. I really like it. I like the pack version better. I will say that. Is this top 10 spicy? Oh, no. But I don't think they're really looking for that with this. No, top 10 spicy, no. Top 10 yummy? That is something we'll have to look at next year, because I really like this one. What do we got here? We got a plate. Come on. We have Noodle. Micro tantrum. Oh, wasn't there a guy named Mike Rowe who was a software developer, and he like spelled his name like Mikerowe, and his website was Mike Rowe Soft. I think they had a little bit of a hissy about it. We don't want to confuse people. How are they going to confuse? It's like a size compared to a name. I don't know. This isn't going to go well. I might give it a little color. Not really. It smells like burnt hair. But that's kind of what I was shooting for, you see. That's about that. What else do I got for this? A little shichimi. And a little seed of sesame. That's about as far as we need to go. Yeah. Let's rotate. my 4th review of the day. So, yeah. But it's good. It's very good. This has been Hans the Ramen Rater, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and bye.